Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to change PIN in Bifrost Wallet. So let's get started. Open your Bifrost Wallet application and log into your wallet like you normally do. Once you are logged into the main homepage of Bifrost Wallet, if you want to change your PIN, tap on the gear button at the bottom right hand corner. Under settings, you'll be able to see a change PIN button at the top. Simply tap on it and then enter your current PIN for your wallet. Once you are done, it'll ask you to type in a new PIN code. Type it in on the next page. Type in your new PIN one more time to confirm, and you should be able to update or change your PIN on Bifrost Wallet. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.